We're at day 2, and the next step is to mask the sand and the filter paper. So here's my sand and filter paper, and let's put it on. There you go, so you can record that. Oop. Okay. We'll go 2.70. Okay, and then the next step, so I will keep the sand since I'm doing this. Okay, then it says use forceps to pull out the zinc pieces. Be careful not to pull out the copper. So here's what the beaker looks like. So what I'm going to do now is pull out anything that is a solid silver blackish chunk, and then I'll show you what that is. Okay, so I pulled out my 6 pieces of zinc. I know I added 6 pieces yesterday, so there they are. So just make your observations about what they look like now compared to yesterday. Okay, now here's the remainder of the solution. So what I'm going to do now is add some HCl, 5 mils, to make sure that there is no zinc left in here. So if there is zinc, you would see fizzing. So let's take a look. Okay, and then I believe it says to add 1 more mil just to make sure, so I'm going to let that react, get 1 more mil, and then I'll add it to it just to make sure there's no more zinc. Okay, so here's what it looks like from above. I see a tiny little piece bubbling right here. There we go. Oh, and I think there's 1 more right here. Okay, so I'm going to let that keep reacting. I'm going to add 1 more mil just to make sure, but I can still see bubbles over there, even though I took out my pieces. So I'm trying to break this up so that I just get the zinc. I don't want that red copper pulled out because that's my product. There we go. Got it. Okay, what I'm going to do is let this sit now and continue to react just to make sure. Ooh. I think I missed it. Okay, I'm going to let that react and settle, because when it settles, it's a little bit easier to take out. And then I will filter it and be ready for the next step.